Hi, my name is Marlena, and I've been a pelvic floor physical therapist now for over the last 8 years. And I want to tell you why I recommend the Squatty Potty to almost every single one of my patients. So, this Squatty Potty here I've had since 2017. And I remember watching the Squatty Potty commercial and just thinking not only how funny it was, but just how informative it was that I went out and bought one immediately. And me and my husband, we were so impressed with how effective this Squatty Potty was, that I immediately started recommending it to all my patients. Because what this Squatty Potty does, it corrects our posture while we're on the toilet. So we as humans were designed to have a bowel movement in a deep squatting position. But with the convenience of toilets, especially as the years have passed, toilets have seemed to kind of gotten taller, especially for elderly. We love our elevated toilet seats because it makes it very easy for them to get up and down from the toilet. But the problem with toilets in general, especially those elevated toilet seats, is that those toilets put your pelvis in a terrible position for having a bowel movement, because it's all about where the muscles are. So when you are on an elevated toilet seat and not in a squat position, those muscles in the pelvic floor are basically kinking the hose. Whereas with the Squatty Potty, it's putting us in the optimal position to where you can have an effective bowel movement by moving those muscles out of the way, which in turn is basically unkinking the hose, which a lot of people will tell you who's used Squatty Potties, including me and my husband, is that you're not on the toilet as long trying to have a bowel movement, as well as there's much less straining. So with the Squatty Potty, you got to make sure you're going to use it right, though, if you're going to get one. So using the Squatty Potty, it's not just about propping your feet up. You got to keep your back flat and leaning forward. It's that tilt in the pelvis that is what helps to have a better bowel movement, because that's is what the tilt in the pelvis is what's moving those muscles out of the way. And then what's nice about the Squatty Potty design is once you're done, you can tuck the Squatty Potty underneath the toilet to get it out of your way. And the Squatty Potty in general has come such a long way since the first day we started using them. They now make them in different colors as well as different materials. And I especially love that they now made the Squatty Potty in a foldable design, because now I'm eyeballing that thing for me to travel with. Because I don't know about y'all, but traveler's constipation is real. You leave the comforts of your own home, and then it's like your gut slows down and you just can't go to the bathroom. So I do feel like having a travel Squatty Potty would help with traveler's constipation as well. So yes, I cannot recommend the Squatty Potty enough. I recommend them again to all my patients, just because it is a good way to protect the pelvic floor. So you're at risk for pelvic floor dysfunction anytime that you're on the toilet for prolonged periods of time, especially if you're straining. So if you're having any of those issues, I highly recommend the Squatty Potty. It has done a lot for not only me and my husband, but all the patients I've recommended it to. So I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you so much for watching.